Looking for tips on how to make money online? You have come to the right place. Summer 2021 has been called the summer of quitting. In the most recent employment report, the Department of Labor said that 4 million Americans quit their jobs in April 2021 alone, the biggest spike in the history. Sure, the economy is blooming and there are more job opportunities, but there is another motivation sparked by the pandemic, making money online. After all, who wants to go back to the office after more than a year of working remotely? Turns out that these days you don't need to go within the office when it's possible to earn money online. So that means you can travel the world and live anywhere you like. Welcome to Money Well. In this channel, we'll post regular contents on making money online easy and fast. Please consider subscribing to us. In this video, we'll tell you about 6 passive incomes idea you can start today. The rest depends on your skills, discipline and hard work. Number 1. Earn from existing apps. Many mobile applications pay you for performing various activities and daily tasks. The wages depend on the type of app and the tasks being assigned. You can drive for Uber or Lyft or other car rental services to get paid handsomely on a regular basis. Then there are delivery apps like Postmates, price comparison apps, TaxRabbit, Swagbucks. Number 2. Sell your talent. Tons of websites allow you to earn by selling your services to businesses and individuals on the internet. You can provide service to companies and earn regular income as a full-time job from ad posting sites like Craigslist, where you can sell almost anything including your services, and other similar sites including Fiverr, Etsy, Mechanical Turk, Cafe Press, Shutterstock, and Flipper. Number 3. Start a blog. If you are serious about starting a business online and you are ready to dedicate the time and money, mostly the time, for it, you can start a blog. Blogging is by far the most convenient and most profitable method of earning online. You can earn through several ways, including ads, affiliates, e-courses, and more. If you have good traffic on your blog, it is crucial to choose the right subject for the blog. It should be something you are interested in and also has market demand. You will have to invest a few bucks for setting up the blog. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. An affiliate is a person or entity who sells goods or services on behalf of someone else, usually for a certain commission. There are many websites where you can earn money by selling other merchants' goods like ClickBank, Share or Sell, Amazon affiliate. Number 5. Online service. Taking online surveys is a good way for generating pocket money, but you cannot expect to earn much through this option. The main problem with this method is that there are too many fraud or fake companies that ask you to do surveys and then run away when it comes to payment. However, there are also some good survey websites like Swagbucks and Opinion Outpost that will pay you for each survey you do for them. Number 6. Sell stock photographs and videos. It is an evergreen income source. People around the globe need stock pictures and videos for their products and projects. If you know photography or videography and have some good editing skills, then use your creativity and camera to capture the best scene or moment. Websites like 500 Pixels, Shutterstock, and many other websites provide a platform for selling stock photos and videos. Number 7. Become an influencer. By passing time, there are multiple ways introduced to earn money via the internet. Being entered into a digital world, many ways have come up where you can earn digitally without any hassle. An influencer is one of the recent trending activities done by many bloggers or TikTokers. As soon as you get famous socially, you will get work from many endorsement companies to promote their goods and services in exchange for good money. Some methods will start producing money right away, but the income will be substantially low. Other methods like blogging and affiliate are for those looking for a long-term and regular income source. But you can follow whichever method you like or even all of them. The earning potential depends on the site and the method. So friends, this is it for this video and I hope to see you in the next one.